Hello, my name is Jorly, and my favorite part of the poem called Cage Bird by Maya Angelou is this. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bar of rage. His wings are clipped, and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. He cage bird sings with a fearful thrill of the things unknown but long for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill. For the catchbird, scene of freedom. This is my favorite part of the poem because the bird expresses a deep feeling of wanting his freedom. Bye bye. Thank you for listening to me.